All right, so we're gonna start, and then folks as they join in, I'll also share out the video. All right, so welcome to Marshall Technology. Our presentation today is how to be able to leverage mobile apps to be able to grow your business, leveraging mobile apps to generate more business revenue. All right, so by the end of today, at least you'll have an idea of how you can build an app with no coding. So that's our goal today. Today pretty much we'll go through our purpose, why DIYapps.ca, some demo, and then Q&A at the end. All right, so our purpose, we started in 2016. Our goal was to give local businesses a little bit of an upper hand to coming to technology. Instead of paying hefty prices, so we go outsource like really good solutions that can help them to be able to compete with big businesses. So that's pretty much our purpose, our goal, and our mission. We help local businesses to use technology, and we also add agencies, social media, websites, and other agencies that would like to leverage this solution to help them grow and make their business and make work easy for them. Why DIYapps.ca? So no beating around the bush. That's the platform right there. So first of all, it's a great revenue generator. All right. So you'll be able to develop apps from enterprise to kind of small business apps. You can be able to charge depending on how big your clientele is or how big your market is, at least from 2,500 to upwards to 30,000, depending on your enterprise kind of client. And then you can always charge monthly. You can always charge monthly that you can be able to grow that revenue. So that's the number one point, because pretty much how you want to know. You want to know how you want to make your money, right? So now we're going to go through how easy it is to be able to develop this kind of apps. So one of the biggest thing is the notifications, right? So notifications, the way I put it, it's your personal marketing kind of feature. You see it has your logo, it has your business name. You're not competing with like a lot of Instagram notifications. If you're in Instagram, send out something, you're in like so many notifications that the user gets. But with this kind of notifications, you are able to be able to pop up on their screen and set you apart from others. Set apart your clients too from others. You can do group notifications, you can do user tags. So depending on how people use the app, you can be able to tag where they are going, what they are using, and then you can be able to custom make notifications to those say areas, to those users. You can schedule notifications, future, couple hours, couple minutes, Geofence. So anyone coming into a geo area, you can be able to like, okay, send out a notification once they're in this area. And as you can see, many more stuff you can do with the notification options. The other biggest thing is the cross-platform development. So where you can be able to leverage Apple, Android, PWA, iPad, and also Android tablets. So you can be able to develop one app and deploy it in all these platforms without just one click of a button. All right, so easy to use. So we have hundreds of templates right now, pretty much where you can start off. You can literally click on a template, start it off, and then change your name, publish it, and it's your app. Easy platform to use. So you can leverage this solution where you can be able to just be able to develop an app straight from the platform itself. So minimum to no coding. So whatever we have right now, you can just change your name and publish it. But the beauty about it, it's always customizable. You can add your images, you can add your text, you can add a couple features here and there. And we have a robust number of features that you can be able, functionalities that you can be able to use and grow your app and business. All right, so new share. All right, so the first thing first, what you do, you go to DIYapps.ca. Once you have that, just click on, just enter it pretty much, and then that will direct you to the website. All right, cool. All right, so so once you're on the website, depending on what you want to do. Pretty much get started is the button that you want to click on. You can do demo, pretty much see some of our kind of highlight apps that we have that will be able to, whichever platform you want. You can do the restaurant that shows you a restaurant. All right, so once you're ready to start developing, just click on get started. This one will also take you, this will open the page where you can start your work. So where we have here, we have which industry you want to think of. We have Chamber of Commerce, City, Education. So today we're gonna go to real estate. Just pick up real estate. You can pick any theme that you want. And then once you have your theme ready, you can look at it. Just pretty much, it's a preset template we already built a couple ones, just pretty much help you to start off with. And then just say start, and then you click put your app name, put your industry, put your name, put your website. I don't think that's mandatory. Email, definitely, a name, and industry, and app name. Those are mandatory, right? Those two. All right, so once you have that ready, so right now, this is how you're gonna look once you log in and you start working on the app. So on the left-hand side, you can see we have the dashboard, similar to the screenshots I had. You have your home screen, so that's where you'll have the first page. So pretty much the page you see right now, real estate training, and then you have your app components. So these are the functionalities that you have already you're using on your app. Marketplace is where you get more functionality, and then the side menu, nav bar, and the intro strings that we talked about. And then design, this is where you're gonna do your branding. We're gonna put your website colors or your branding colors. Media and library, this is where all your images will be stored and be able to use on the app. Security, these are the login screens. Sometimes when you need people to log in, and then let's do a register. All right, so this is where the login screen, so where people will be able to register and things like that. E-commerce, if you're doing an e-commerce and you want to sell through the app, this is the spot where you change and add things. All right, notifications is where we touch on the notifications, where you can be able to set up, schedule, and geofence all your notifications. Users, so this is where you can manage your user tags, user management, admin roles, people who are gonna be able to admin the app and be able to manage also the users, move them from one tag to another one and things like that, so that they can be able to maximize the functionality of the app with the access and granting access and things like that. All right, so analytics, as it says, this is where now you get the statistics of the app, how many people are downloading the app, how many people are opening your thing. So right now we don't have much information on this one because it's just a template. So yeah, so this is where you get the downloads, the registered users, and also you can integrate with other analytic tools that you like. So in the advanced section, this is where we're gonna do pretty much your app permission request. So when you click on the app permission request, I'm interested on that too. All right, so you see, this is where the third party can access location, contacts, contacts and things like that. But you don't need that. You don't need that. Those are by default. And then the app publishing, app marketing. So this is where all the links will be. This is where the links will be, and this is how the app info publishing. All right, so first things first. So that's pretty much the layout. That was the layout of the platform. You can change it to any language. That's cool. All right, so you can change to any language that you want. Let's try this, man. Let's do Arabic. Cool. All right, so first things first. So right now, you see we have learn more, upgrade. The publishing button is here once you're ready to publish. So this is not a paid. Once you enter that paid status, where you are ready to, like, you upgrade and you have paid for your monthly, then that's when you get the publishing button. You also have hire a designer, so that's pretty much me. So you get just can send me a help, contact me and things like that. Learn more. So this is where pretty much the knowledge base I was talking about. A lot of information up in here. You get a lot of info that you need to get you started. All right, so we go into the editing part of things. So I'll start with the home screen. So the way you look at this particular app, it's pretty much the same for all functionality features that you pick. So you'll have your name, if you want to put your name there, the name of the page, which will be the name of the screen. All right. Content, design, layouts, security, tagging, patches, analytics. These are all default tabs. There will be the same tabs for all pages that you are in. And then you have your editing section here. So anything we make a change here, right? It will show up here. So you'll see how it looks like on the app. As we mentioned about the layouts, you can select pretty much any layouts that you want. You can do a preview. This is the AI tool that we talked about, generating some content. You can change the source code if you are into coding, but I don't think you need that because it still looks nice, right? So when you change, it's interactive too. So when you change pages, the left-hand side, if you change pages on the left-hand side, it changes on the right-hand side. If you change it on the right-hand side, it changes on the left-hand side. So that's the beauty about the app. You don't need to look about the platform. You don't need to kind of guess where you need to go. It intuitively shows you where to go. And you have the help button. So if you click on the help button, whichever functionality that you are on, it will give you, boom, the help for that functionality. So that's the beauty. Learning is never been easy doing an app. So this is your side menu. When you change here too, let's say change agent directory, you can see it changes here too, right? So this is the people's feature. So we go to my feature. So these are the functionalities that are being used on the app. So with all this functionality being used on the app, you can be able to develop any kind of app. And then let's go to the marketplace. So the marketplace, this is now where all the beauty lies, all the information that you need to be able to develop your app. So tons and tons and tons of functionality that's here that you can be able to structure it for any client that you have. All right, so the other piece is the branding piece. So this is where now you can do your logo, app logo. You can do your loading screen. You can do your font, your color, and be able to customize the app to be able to match your brand. So whenever people on your app, they can be able to, whenever people are on your client's app or on your app, you can be able to grow. You can be able to leverage, match your branding with the app too. All right, so once you are ready to publish, usually there's a publish button here, but I'll go through this publishing info section. Pretty much is the same thing. Yes, we'll say agree. So if you're ready to publish, then we need to upgrade. So we need to upgrade so that we can be able to use the publishing feature. So no upgrade, no publishing. All right, so that's pretty much a quick nutshell of the app DIYapps platform. So next, let's go back to the slideshow. All right, so to get started today, as I mentioned, we have an amazing offer right now. All the plans that we have on the monthly subscription, you get $100 off for the whole year. So instead of paying $250 or $235, no, instead of paying $250, you pay $150. Depending on whichever client you have, If you are an agency, contact us directly and be able to work out a plan for you. But pretty much that's the offer we have. And then 21 days free trial. So you can try your concept for 21 days and then upgrade on the 21st day. And then pretty much you extend your time. Right. So any question and answer, we'll be able to answer it. Just message us on the chat box and we'll be able to get back to you. And that concludes our session today. Marshall Technology, leveraging mobile solutions to grow businesses. Thank you for all. Thank you and have a great day. And thank you for participating.